Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to change your review on booking.com. It's very simple. Basically, when you get a notification on your email address, so it could be a Gmail, a Yahoo, a Hotmail, etc., to leave, the host is asking you to leave a review. Then obviously when you've submitted your review and you clicked on the link in your email, you submitted your review, and then you realize afterwards you're not happy and you want to make some changes to your review. All you need to do is go back to your email, find that link where the host says leave a review for your stay, click on that link again, and then your page will come up with pre-written what you've written basically on your review, and then you can edit it and resubmit it. And then you will, after you submit it, you'll get a notification message from booking.com. It takes around 24 hours to process, to make changes. I will leave it how it looks like on here, and then after 24 hours, well, it could take up to 24 hours, then your updated review will be left on booking.com. I hope this video tutorial has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one.